Same as yesterday, yes. It's the green light here with coconut water. Alright, cool. And I also want a ginger shot as well, please. So people don't remember what you say to them, they remember how you make them feel. So that's why I'm back here, man.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. This one and then this one.
Yeah.
This one is really good.
Yes, it's very good.
Yeah.
Is it cream the chocolate?
Yeah. I have to put my finger inside to get all this out.
Oh my god!
Good morning on another beautiful day in Puerto Vallarta. And I'm gonna go get my breakfast. Heading over to this smoothie spot that I went to yesterday. Yeah, I'm almost there. I'll show you guys what it's like to walk in. Hola. ¿Cómo está? ¿Cómo está?
Hola.
Hola, hola. How you doing? I'm making a YouTube video. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna give you guys some, how do you say it? Make it, put it out there.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah. All right. So I'm gonna get probably the same thing that I got yesterday. It was like the green life. Yeah. Okay. Now I'll show you guys the menu. Bueno. So yeah, I'm gonna get the green life. It's spinach, green apple, cucumbers, pineapples, ginger, lime, parsley, celery, and orange juice. But instead of getting orange juice, I'm gonna swap it over for coconut water. Yesterday that I had it, it was really good. So I guess today I'm gonna do the same thing. Creature of habit. Alright.
You want the same as yesterday?
Same as yesterday, yes. It's the green light here with coconut water. Alright, cool. And I also want a ginger shot as well, please. Yeah, yesterday I got the same ginger shot, the green light smoothie, and oh yeah, and instead of orange juice in the green light, I got what you call that? I got coconut water. So hopefully today is as good. And right outside this spot, there's like a little park. Unfortunately, I didn't make the time. To go play football while in Puerto Vallarta. But this park seems really good. I think it's right outside the school as well. I'm not sure the camera will do justice if you guys see as much as I do, but you guys know where it is, and I'll show you also the name of this juice spot. ¿Cómo está? Alright. So it's both desayunos eléctricos. So yeah. I'm gonna get this smoothie and then check back in. These healthy smoothies and this waters, but they also have like pancakes, toast, sandwiches, breakfast wraps, energy bowls, and Mexican goodies, whatever that means. But yeah, I'm just getting a ginger shot. I'm just getting a ginger shot and my green smoothie right now. Gracias. This is my ginger shot. I'm about to tear this up. Yes, sir. It's a boost that immune system. Thank you.
Am I gonna come out on YouTube or something like that?
Do you want to? If you don't want to, I don't have to post it. Okay, cool.
I'm good at it.
Yeah.
We've never been.
Yeah.
Nobody did it before.
Okay. Well, I'm not the biggest YouTuber, but hopefully by the time this video comes out, it has enough traction.
For
That,
sure,
yeah, I really felt good here yesterday.
Oh, you did?
The vibe was good, and the smoothies were good, and the ginger shot was good as well.
Oh.
I was like, I have to come back and make a video about this place.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. That's what's up.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we're always talking about that vibe.
Yeah.
And it's kind of me and my wife opened this place.
Okay.
And we were always about the vibe, you know,
Yeah.
and changing and making something new for.
Yeah.
Because we put them 6 hours now. You know, it normally was supposed to be 8 hours.
Yeah.
We were like, you know, let's put something different.
Yeah.
Let's put something for the people, and let's make it a 6-hour work.
Yeah.
Good vibe, good food.
Yeah.
So everything that we prepare on the hand, right, comes out to the people, you know.
Yeah, man.
And when somebody sick comes, we're like, I'm gonna put my intention here.
Yeah, for
and
sure.
They're gonna get cured.
Exactly.
And it happens. I mean, I don't know if it's magic or what, but they come the next day and hey, that ginger shot that you gave me really cured me.
Okay. And if we cook with energy, and if you cook with negative energy, you get transferred into the food, and then people get sick. And also, people don't remember what you say to them; they remember how you make them feel. So that's why I'm back here, man.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. See, it's good. Yeah. So I'm about to pay this tab and then head over there. Check back in a bit. This little dog was attacking me. I didn't want to do I don't want to be in a Kurt Zoomer situation. Buenas. Now I have to go find, I have the smoothie. I have to go find my clothes. If only I could remember where I put it. Good morning.
It's a little more expensive as you go to convenience store.
Oh yes. Buenos días. Hola. ¿Todo bien y tú? Alright. Sí. Con bolsa blanca. Sí. Alright.
Es muy importante la
Okay.
nota.
Ah, qué bueno. Ah, yo no tengo copia.
Francis, sí. Aquí está.
Sí, gracias.
De nada.
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego.
See, I just dropped it off yesterday. I paid 68 pesos for the clothes that I paid 200 pesos for in Mexico City. Even though we love Mexico City, it is mad expensive. So yeah, I'm gonna head over to the hotel right now, well, Airbnb. Show you guys a bit of the room. I know it's dirty, it's gonna be dirty as hell because we're leaving today, and I'm with Mahlon. Not saying anything bad about Mahlon, but yeah, I think Mahlon should be at this restaurant spot, this breakfast spot, getting his breakfast. So I'm gonna go see if I find him, and he also has the keys. Okay, bueno. Oh yeah, he's not there, he already left. So yeah, I'm gonna have to stop the video and call him.
Hi, friend.
Hola. Todo bien? Yo! Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to end the video and call him. So yeah, while I'm waiting for Mahlon to come, this lady she owns a tequila store right outside of the Airbnb. So I'm gonna go check it out. Buenos días.
Buenos
¿Cómo
días.
está?
Bien, bien.
So yeah, she has a lot of variety, man. We got vanilla, tequila, chocolate, tequila.
Vanilla, chocolate, and chocolate. The flavor of the chocolate?
So yeah,
Yes.
in the tequila.
You try it. You try it, the tequila chocolate.
Okay. This lady's trying to get me baracho in the morning. Oh, it actually smells hella chocolatey.
Is it cream? The chocolate.
I have to put my finger inside to get all this out.
Oh my god!
This one right here is really good. What's the name of that one, kid? This one right here.
Chocolate.
Yeah.
Is 40? 40?
14%.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yo, it is really, really good. I had to put my finger in there to get the rest out. Yeah.
This is which are R.
Yeah, it looks really nice.
This which are R. For one, the one, and the figure.
Yeah.
One signification for which are is.
Okay. Look at the art on this bottle. This is Aztec or Maya?
The art is Maya.
Maya.
This is Maya.
It's Maya as well.
Extra Ventul.
Actually,
Anise. Miel. The homes is the Maya celebration.
alright, cool. Alright. So yeah, finally was able to enter the B&B. Hola, lo siento, señor. Now heading up to the room. Show you guys a quick room tour of what we were dealing with over the past 2 nights. It's a pretty decent room. Yeah, it's a pretty decent room, 2 beds, nice shower, balcony. It's better than what I've been using, well, sleeping in while I've been in Puerto Vallarta. This guy, bro. Yo, I'm at the door. They only gave 1 key for the room. So now I have to depend on another man to let me in. No bueno. Thank you. My bad. So yeah, this is our dirty little habitation. We got a nice little shower, 1 sink, clean toilet, our washcloths, we black, you gotta use those. Decent shower head, well, really good shower head to be honest. And we got very hot water. It's really good. Yeah, the room is dirty. I'm sorry, but we're about to head out of here. Yeah, we're about to head out of here. Got the little stove, toaster oven, coffee maker, blender, sink, microwave, and like a little island. Operational freezer, came with ice. Don't use the ice in Mexico because Montezuma's revenge is the real thing. I got sick like 3 days, 3 different cities though. Mexico City, Puebla, and Puerto Escondido. Not vomiting, but like letting everything out through the back door. Good fridge, empty. They come with pots and pans, plates, knives and forks. Nice little futon couch. Small table. Little closet. My stuff is on the floor. 1 bed, 2 beds, and a nice little dresser. We're right outside. We also have a balcony. And you can see a nice little view of the beach as well. Yeah, it's right down the center of Puerto Vallarta. So yeah guys, that was a quick room tour of our habitation in Puerto Vallarta. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I know I do not ask you guys for that a lot. I know I should start asking in the beginning of the videos, but like I don't know, man. I need to think of this differently. But yeah, please give me a like, comment, subscribe. Leave some feedback in the comment. I love you guys. Deuces.